Who first dared to dream of space travel? The answer might surprise you. It begins not with rockets and engineers in lab coats, but with a man born in a small Russian town in the mid-19th century, whose ancestry traced back to the Polish-Ukrainian nobility. This man, Konstantin TSIOLKOVSKY, is a heralded pioneer of astronautics, yet his origins are as diverse and intricate as the cosmos he aspired to explore. Konstantin's lineage was not typical of the scientific communities of his time. His ancestors belonged to the ancient nobility of Poland and Ukraine, an elite class known historically as the Szlachta. This noble heritage infused a unique blend of cultural richness into his upbringing, which perhaps broadened his perspective, fueled his intellectual curiosity. Tsiolkovsky himself mused, "Jumps only in the gaps of our knowledge. It is funny to think that the material world known to us is limited only to what we know. There are gases, liquids and solids of infinitely varied properties and densities. There are also an infinite number of intelligent beings, not composed as on Earth and not of the same materials." Now another question arises. Should there be these beings struggle, competition, mutual extermination, as we find in the earthly world? All this is partly possible, but as in the conscious earthly world, the feeling of enmity, by virtue of natural and artificial selection, will gradually be replaced by feelings of solidarity and unity under the supremacy of the highest chosen genius. So the same, and even to a higher degree, is inevitably in the world, incomparably more extensive and perfect than the earthly world. So this highest chosen genius of the cosmos, created by the infinity of space, matter, time, does he not rule the universe with the organization of help from similar higher beings? There might be a ruler for each solar system, a higher ruler for the Milky Way, even higher for their group floating in the etheric isolated mass, etc., up to the very highest or genius of the cosmos. But how to imagine him when the cosmos is boundless? Yet the question remains open about the cause of the appearance of the world itself, which created such a god. Exploring the intricate tapestry of Alexander Chizhevsky's life, we delve into the story of a visionary whose noble origins profoundly shaped his philosophical and scientific outlook. Born into the Polish-Ukrainian Szlachta, his heritage was imbued with a rich tradition of culture and philosophy, which played a significant role in his intellectual development. Chizhevsky's philosophical ideas were deeply intertwined with his scientific inquiries, leading to a holistic approach in his studies, particularly visible in his seminal work in heliobiology. Chizhevsky's major scientific breakthrough was in heliobiology, the study of the sun's effects on biological systems. He proposed a groundbreaking theory that solar activity, characterized by sunspots and solar flares, was intimately linked to biological and historical phenomena on Earth. According to his theory, these solar events could influence human biology and had correlations with major historical events such as epidemics and wars. This concept not only extended the boundaries of traditional biology, but also bridged it with astrophysics, suggesting that human life is more connected to the cosmos than previously thought. His contributions have significantly advanced our understanding of interconnectedness of celestial and terrestrial phenomena. By linking solar activity with earthly events, Chizhevsky opened new avenues in the study of geophysical biology, paving the way for future research into how cosmic events shape life on Earth. His work, though initially received with skepticism, has inspired a broader exploration of environmental and cosmic influences on biological and societal evolution. Alexander Chizhevsky stands as a testament to how noble origins and a philosophical mindset can lead to profound scientific discoveries. His legacy continues to influence and inspire the quest for knowledge, from the smallest particles to the vast expanse of the cosmos, demonstrating the deep interconnectedness of all things. In an era dominated by terrestrial concerns, Tsiolkovsky envisioned humanity's future among the stars. His theories laid the foundational stones for modern rocket science and space travel. He proposed the use of rockets for space exploration and detailed the concept of a space elevator, a visionary idea that continues to inspire to this day. His work transcended the boundaries of his time and place, Figures like Sergei Korolev and Alexander Chizhevsky, who would later become cornerstones of Soviet space efforts, drew heavily from his writings and ideas. Tsiolkovsky's legacy is a tapestry woven through the fabric of global space exploration, highlighting the profound impact one individual can have on the future of humanity. Thus, from the noble estates of Eastern Europe to the starry skies above, Konstantin Tsiolkovsky remains a beacon of innovation and inspiration. His contributions remind us that the journey to the stars is not just about technological advancement, but also about the human spirit's relentless quest for knowledge.